Welcome to Java class again. My dear friends, today's topic is types of errors. As we know that the errors have great significance. Better not to have any error in the program, and if there will be errors in the programs or software, then there will be great problem wherever they are going to get implemented. My dear friends, that's why we test our program before we supply it in the market. My dear friends, there are three types of errors. Number one, syntax error. Number two, logical error. Number three, runtime error. Now, first of all, what are the syntax errors? My dear friends, as you know that all the languages, they have different syntax. Their purpose is same. All the languages, computer languages, we use to develop the software, to write the programs, but they all have different grammar, they all have different syntax, even though their purpose is same. So if there is any syntax error, the program, if there is any grammatical mistake or in the rules of that programming language there is any mistake to follow those rules, then there will be the syntax error. My dear friends, if there is syntax error, compiler is going to show you where the error is in the program. Then the programmer can remove that, go to that particular line, remove that, then it is going to be executed. Otherwise, the program you can never execute with the syntax error. I mean to say, program will never show you the required results. So, for example, if we have written A is equal to C is equal to A plus B divided by 2 and we have not put the semicolon at the end of this statement, then there will be the syntax error. The right syntax is this. So, my dear friends, first of all we need to remove all the syntax error from the program and then the program we can execute. Second is logical error. My dear friends, logical errors are the errors in the logic of the program. We know that programmer always have the logic before him or her, before writing the program. So if the logic is wrong, the compiler won't give any error. Compiler will show you the result, but the result will be incorrect. So for example, if you have written for A is equal to 1, A is less than equal to 10, A is equal to A plus 2, and if you have written here the output statement system.out.println A, it is going to show you these numbers 1, 3, 5, these are the odd numbers, because in the logic we have given the logic to print the odd numbers. Second, if we have written A is equal to for A is equal to A2, A is less than 10, A is equal to A plus 2, the answer will be the even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8 and 10. My dear friends, if the programmer or any student of Java language is writing or giving the logic of printing the odd numbers and giving the logic of printing the even number, then obviously there will be the logical error because the logic is wrong. So that's why the program is going to give you wrong result, but very clearly from the result we should calculate it manually also, that, and we should see, programmer should see whatever the result we wanted, are we getting the same result? So that's how we can remove the logical error. Third is runtime error. My dear friends, when the programmer has removed all the syntax error and all the logical errors, even then program can show you some type of runtime errors. My dear friends, these runtime errors can occur due to dividing a number by 0 or due to finding the square root of any negative number. So the programmer, after writing the program, it should be passed to the testers who do the testing of the program and they will test for all these 3 types of errors from the application or software or program, and then it is ready to use or to implement anywhere in any application area of the life. So my dear friends, this is what was supposed to be covered in today's lecture. I hope you understood it very well. My dear friends, I'll request you to subscribe my channel if you are really comfortable with understanding and if you are willing to know more about Java programs. Thank you. Bye-bye.